Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to set up tax legal address. Now the tax legal address, like the name is actually implies, is the address where your taxes will sent to. Let's see, will be based on. Let's see. Before you click on from your homepage, click on name of your company. So open up this part that shows you the account where you can manage your account and settings. Then you go to address and you can see legal address. We'll click on the pencil icon. You go straight to legal address. It's used for filing taxes. So before it was set as same as company address, but let's say mine is not the same. If yours is the same, no problem. If it's not the same, then you fill in the new street address. Let's say the street address that I have is just because I registered as Nigerian, that is what it's asking me for. City, states, all those things. Yours might be different, so you put the address the way it is in your country. So let's say my street address is alright. About one S. They're not Boston. Boston. Alright. Now together should be a space, thank you. Now the city, let's say the city is, let's say, Idaho. And then the state, let's say the state is IMO. And the zip code is, let's say, 00000. And then once you're through, please put in the right information, the accurate information, and then click on save. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So this is the legal address where it is used for filing taxes. Don't forget that. And then you click on done. And that is all. Your settings will be saved. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.